Hi friends, I hope you and everyone around you are safe and in good health. Today in this video, I'm going to share unbiased 25 reviews and will let you know is 25 online legit or a scam website. But before starting guys, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So through this video, you will get to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the homepage of the website and over this website, you can see that 25 offers a variety of women wear dresses such as 5-piece activewear set, 7-piece night set, dresses with jackets, denim jackets, cartoon printed night sets, pleated dresses and so forth. And guys, here we can see that the prices of these products are too good to believe. And before proceeding further, friends, I would request you all to like, share and subscribe my channel because it will help you guys to get the notification each time when I upload some informative videos on my channel. Now let's proceed to know information related to payments. So here we can see that the available payment options are Visa, PayPal, Stripe and MasterCard. And guys, here we can see that the safest and highly preferable option, that is cash on delivery, is also available. But guys, let me tell you that COD is available only for maximum value of rupees 7,500 per order. Now let's check the shipping policy. So here we can see that orders will be processed and dispatched within 48 to 72 hours of ordering, and delivery time for pre-orders placed is currently 7 to 14 working days. And apart from this guys, we can see that shipping charges are not specified here. So now let's have a look on return and exchange policy. So guys, here we can see that there is no return option available. A customer can only request to exchange the products within 48 hours of delivery if in case he or she have received a damaged product. And the important point to note here is that the customer will be responsible for the reverse pickup charges. Also guys, here we can spot that the content over the website is copied, as here they have written that we at Royal Card work hard. So it seems that the content is copied from Royal Card. Therefore, it becomes very crucial to check the content quality of this website. So guys, here we can see that 33% of the content over this website is copied from other websites. So it's a red flag. Now let's check the details related to cancellation policy. So here we can see that if once an order is placed, a customer cannot cancel it. Cancellations are issued via CN only in case of unavailability of garments. So guys, now let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So here in About Us section, you will find a company's address, which again is on the name of Royal Card. And in shipping policy section, you will find an email ID, which is info@royalcard.co.in. And apart from this guys, here you will see the social media links. But let me tell you that these links are misleading as they do not redirect a customer to the official social media page of Trendify. Now guys, let's proceed to talk on those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of this website. So guys, Trendify.online uses HTTPS connection. Therefore, the information you send or get through the website is safe, which is quite a positive sign. But guys, it alone is not sufficient to determine the authenticity of any website. Therefore, let's check the details related to registration. So guys, here we can see that the domain name of Trendify was registered on 15 February 2021. And here we can see that the domain is registered only for 1 year. Now let's talk on 25 reviews because guys, customer reviews are one of the most critical factor in identifying the legitimacy of any website. So here on the official website, you will see that there is no section for customers' feedback. And in addition to this guys, I could not find even a single customer review over the reliable sites on internet. So again, it's a negative highlight. And guys, according to Alexa Traffic Rank, this website is ranked 0 among many other million websites. So it's a red flag again. So guys, I would like to end the video by stating that the loopholes such as incomplete details related to refund policies, misleading contact details and social media links, lack of customer remarks, low Alexa rank, copied content and duplicate images of the products makes us to doubt the authenticity of this website. So guys, based on all these checkpoints, I would highly recommend all the viewers not to shop from this website as there are high chances of receiving low quality goods or nothing at all. So friends, that was all about the authenticity of Trendify.online. And guys, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from omnipresent scamsters. Bye bye guys, stay safe, stay home.